With back to school around the corner, it makes sense to do an office home makeover. And today I'm going to show you how you can take your monitors and get them off your desk from the monitor stands using monitor arms. And today we're going to be installing a pair from Kensington. They're SmartFit one-touch adjustable height single monitor arms. However, I got two of them because I got two monitors here, and that's going to add a significant portion of desk space on this desk right here. We're also going to be upgrading this keyboard. This is an old one from Logitech, and as you'll note, it's got kind of a wrist pad built into it. Well, we're going to upgrade it with something that's old and new. It's a mechanical keyboard from Kensington, but it also comes with this optional and adjustable wrist pad. So between these two, these are super quiet, but it is also has mechanical buttons. It's wireless. So I'll put that in addition to the two monitor arms. So this is the before picture. I'll do the install and then we'll show exactly what it looks like once it's fully installed. Okay, and here's the after. Much better if you ask me. Look at all that extra desk space that you get from mounting your monitors onto the table with these monitor mounts. Now I'm just going to go to the side and show you how this Kensington monitor mount is working. It's got a slot that allows you to run the cables, and then you come and you can run it underneath so that you don't have to see them dangling, which I really like. You tighten it on the top with an Allen key once you've kind of got your position that you want, but you can just keep moving it. And in the event that you need to move it, you can keep moving it to any kind of position that you want. Super easy to set up. It really requires the desk to have a little bit of a protrusion off from the side so that it has something to clamp onto. And thankfully this desk, which is actually my childhood desk that I helped put together when I was like 8 years old, that has it. It doesn't have it, however, on the side, but it does have it on the back. And that's when I realized that I could get a mounting arm and then create that extra space on the desk. It's perfect for back to school. Back to school is also back to work. With September, and the seasonal change, you're going to spend more time on your desk, on your desk, so you might as well have a nice sleek setup. Here's the Kensington mechanical keyboard. As I said before, doesn't make much noise. The last thing that I have to do now is grab the pad and put it on top. What I like about this is that it's adjustable. So I can kind of move it to wherever I need it, whatever feels comfortable, or I can just remove it all together. So that just makes it super easy. You'll also notice that I have this Kensington USB-C charging. So this allows you to connect monitors, extra ports with USB-C and USB-A. You could also wirelessly charge your smartphone while you're working. And then on the top, believe it or not, this is also a Kensington webcam with a Kensington arm attached on the bottom. So great company. I'm really liking what they have. It's total business class type of accessories. But if you're setting up your desk, this is how you do it, folks. Just a stellar desk job. I love this with all this space on it as well. Well, that concludes this makeover for the desk as part of the back to school. If you are interested in this stuff, please click on the links in my description and I will show you where you can purchase all these products from Kensington. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media, signing out. See you again next time.